Unexpected noises? Stay calm with these hacks. Ever hear a strange noise in your home and feel a chill run down your spine? A creak, a bang, or a mysterious tapping sound can make your imagination run wild. But before you let fear take over, let's demystify these sounds and learn how to tackle them calmly. Whether it's a harmless quirk of your home or something that requires a closer look, this video will help you stay cool, diagnose the issue, and even fix it with a few simple hacks. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's explore why your home might be making these unexpected noises. Every house settles and adjusts over time. For home, when materials like wood, metal, or plastic expand and contract due to temperature changes, they can creak or groan. Wind rattling through drafts, aging floors shifting slightly under pressure, and appliances doing their job can all produce weird sounds that are completely normal. Understanding these processes is key to staying calm. Most of the noises in a house occur simply because homes are dynamic structures that adapt to their surroundings. Some sounds are harmless quirks, while others might be subtle indicators of needed maintenance. Let's break these into two categories: noises you can ignore and noises you need to investigate. Wooden floors often creak when expanding or contracting due to changes in humidity or temperature. This happens especially at night when the house cools down and materials shrink slightly. It's harmless and doesn't mean there's a bigger problem. Drafts caused by wind can nudge windows and doors just enough to make them rattle. Older house frames lose tight seals over time, allowing air to sneak in and shake things up. The hum of a refrigerator, the occasional click of a thermostat, or the gurgling of a washing machine mid-cycle? These are standard operating sounds in any home. If they're consistent and nothing seems off, there's no reason to worry. Some sounds indicate something worth your attention. Here are a few examples. If you hear loud, recurring banging or knocking in the walls, it could be due to plumbing or HVAC issues, which we'll discuss later. Sounds like scratching or rustling are strong clues that you might have uninvited house guests. Pests such as rodents or birds in your walls, attic, or crawl spaces. Buzzing outlets or popping sounds from electrical appliances are safety hazards. These could signal faulty wiring or electrical overloads, requiring professional intervention immediately. Creaky floors are a classic home noise. You can fix or minimize the issue with a few simple tricks. Sprinkle talcum powder or powdered graphite over the creaky area, allowing it to settle between floorboards to reduce friction. Tighten loose nails or screws in your subfloor by accessing it from below, if you can. Use area rugs to muffle the sound in high-traffic spots. To stop windows or doors from rattling, install weather stripping around doors and windows for a tighter seal. Tighten screws on frames and hinges if they've worked loose over time. Use felt or foam pads on doorstops to dampen vibrations. Water pipes often make noises due to sudden water flow changes. Here's how to quiet them down. Fix a water hammer, a loud banging in your pipes, by installing a water hammer arrestor or simply draining your plumbing system. Add cushioning to stop vibrating pipes. Foam insulation sleeves or securing the pipe brackets can work wonders. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems can cause banging, whistling, or humming sounds. Check for clogged or dirty filters and replace them to improve airflow. Tighten loose ducts or panels that could be vibrating. If whistling persists, consider sealing air leaks in the ducts with specialized tape. Sounds like scratching often mean pests are to blame. Here's what to do. Inspect crawl spaces, basements, attics, and walls for openings that mice or critters could be using to sneak in. Seal off entry points with steel wool and caulk to prevent further access. If the problem persists, call a pest control professional for assistance. Never ignore abnormal electrical sounds. If an outlet is buzzing or appliances are making odd noises, turn off the power to that circuit immediately. Call a certified electrician to inspect and repair the system. Even the tiniest noise can make you feel on edge, especially at night when it's quiet. Staying calm is crucial for logical troubleshooting. Here are a few tips. Take a deep breath. Remind yourself that most noises have logical explanations and don't require panicking. Observe before reacting. Turn on a light, grab a flashlight, and investigate the source of the sound. Document patterns. If the noise reoccurs, note what time it happens, where it seems to come from, and whether it's connected to specific actions, like turning on a faucet. The more information you have, the easier it'll be to identify and resolve the issue. Wouldn't it be nice to eliminate some noises altogether? Preventive maintenance is key. Lay down rugs or carpets to reduce noise on hardwood or tile floors. Place felt pads under furniture legs to avoid scratching and screeching sounds. Tighten nails and screws periodically to keep structures stable. Apply weather seal strips or reposition door frames to reduce drafts. Small fixes like these can block external noise and save energy. Clean and maintain household appliances to avoid unnecessary grinding or buzzing. For example, vacuum your refrigerator coils regularly. Re-level your washing machine to prevent it from wobbling and banging. Sometimes, a noise won't go away no matter what you do. That's when it's time to call for backup. Plumbers can resolve pipe issues if there are persistent knocking or leaking sounds. Electricians should handle any buzzing outlets or sizzling wires. It's a serious safety risk. Contractors can address potential structural issues like loud bangs in walls or ceilings. Your time and safety are worth bringing in the right experts when needed. We've all had those eerie moments when a sound seems unexplainable. Is it ghosts? Spoiler alert, probably not. The truth is that homes amplify sounds in strange ways, making small creaks or clicks seem louder and more mysterious than they are. Remember, science is your friend. Before jumping to supernatural conclusions, think logically and investigate. Tackling household noises doesn't have to be scary or stressful. Think of it as a chance to better understand your living space and even learn a few DIY tricks along the way. Every house has its quirks, and with a little investigation and some quick fixes, you can turn unsettling noises into manageable challenges. Remember, the next strange sound you hear isn't a cause for panic. It's an opportunity to get curious and resourceful. Most household noises are just harmless signs of a house doing its thing. By staying calm, investigating logically, and learning a few simple hacks, you're well equipped to handle any creaks, bangs, or rattles with confidence. Have a noise story of your own? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making your home a more peaceful and quieter place. Next time you hear a strange sound, you'll know. It's definitely not a ghost. Musical note: cue playful sound effects to close.